Canada's former ambassador to China, John McCallum, is facing criticism for wading into the ongoing diplomatic dispute between Canada and China. McCallum told the South China Morning Post that he advised his former contacts in China's Ministry of Foreign Affairs that any more punishments on Canadian exports could help the Conservatives win October's election, a win he said would not be best for China's interests. Foreign Affairs Minister Chrystia Freeland was asked about McCallum's comments earlier today.
Let me be extremely clear that Mr. McCallum does not speak in the name of the Government of Canada. In January, the Prime Minister asked for Mr. McCallum's resignation, and Mr. McCallum subsequently resigned from his role as Canada's ambassador to China. When it comes to China, our priority, very much my personal priority, is the well-being of Michael Kovrig and Michael Spavor.
Conservative leader Andrew Scheer issued a statement slamming McCallum and calling his comments an invitation of foreign interference in the Canadian election.